What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Timeless by The Weeknd and Playboi Carti. Here's a little preview of what it's going to sound like. Ever since I was a jit, knew I was a shit. Shawty keep wanna come round, she wanna get hit. She thinks she the main because I keep her by my side. Double up bustin' her while she know that I'm timeless. I put my son with some brick, I pull that gun off the hip. Pockets all 22 clips. I break her heart, car break her song. Put on a shirt, get put on the blimp. Bitch like a stain, get ready to live. I had to tell her that ever since I was a jit, knew I was a shit. So I have a capo here on the 7th fret. Everything that I teach is relative to the capo, and the chords that you need to know to play this song are E minor 7, C major 7, A minor 7, and E minor 9. And here is a breakdown of how to play the chords. First chord is an E minor 7. So we're just putting our finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and it's gonna sound like this. Second chord is a C major 7. We're going to put our fingers on the 2nd fret of the D string and the 3rd fret of the A string. And we're going to mute the top string, and it's going to sound like this. Alright, next chord is an A minor 7. So we're going to put our fingers on the 1st fret of the B string and the 2nd fret of the D string. And we're going to mute the low E string, and it's going to sound like this. Alright, and then the last chord is an E minor 9. We're going to put our fingers on the 4th fret of the D string and the 5th fret of the A string. And we're going to mute the low E string. It's going to sound like this. Okay, and then all together the progression is gonna go E minor 7 to a C major 7 to A minor 7, back to C major 7, and then to the E minor 9, and then you just repeat that progression throughout the song. And so when we think about it in 4 counts, it's gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and as you can notice on that last 4 count is when we switched to the C major 7 to the E minor 9 halfway through the 4 count. Okay, so just take note of that. Now, in terms of the strumming pattern, it's really up to you on how you want to do it, but for me, what I'm doing is this. Down, up, slap, up, down, slap, up, 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 down. Okay, and that's how you play the entire song. Cool, well, I appreciate you guys tapping into this tutorial. Hopefully this video helped you out. And if it did, please go ahead and comment down below. Like this video and share it with someone that wants to learn this song. And as always, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and consider subscribing if you want more tutorials like this. And right now you should already see videos that popped up on your screen. Please go ahead and click any of these, and I'll see you guys on the next one.